In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Microsoft Clipchamp. Let's dive right in. To start, we need to head over to Clipchamp's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in clipchamp.com. Once the page loads, you'll find the familiar interface of Clipchamp, a powerful yet user-friendly video editing tool that allows you to create stunning videos with ease. Once you're at the homepage, you'll want to sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll see the option to either sign in or create an account. For this tutorial, we'll proceed by signing in, so click on the sign in option. Next, you'll see a prompt for different sign-in methods. Here, we'll choose Continue with Microsoft. You'll need to select your Microsoft account from the list, or you can manually enter your login details. After signing in, you'll be welcomed to the Clipchamp dashboard, also known as the home page. Now that we're in, let's create a new video project. Look for the Create a New Video button and click on it. This will bring up a fresh editing workspace. Here, the first step in adding text to your video is to import your media. You'll find an Import Media button, which allows you to add your video files to the timeline. Alternatively, you can use the convenient drag and drop feature to directly place your video onto the workspace. With your video ready, it's time to add some text. On the left-hand side, you'll find a menu. Click on text and you'll see a variety of text styles available. If you'd like to view all options, click on Text Styles, See All. Scroll through the different styles to find one that suits the tone and feel of your video. Once you've selected a text style, simply drag and drop it onto the timeline to position it over your video clip. Now let's customize the text to make it perfect for your project. You can change the font to something that better fits your aesthetic or project needs. There is a variety of fonts to choose from, each offering its own unique personality and style. Additionally, you can also change the font size to ensure your text is easily readable and fits well within the frame of your video. Play around with the options until you find the ideal configuration, and that's it. You've successfully added text to your video in Clipchamp. This feature not only allows you to communicate more effectively with your audience, but also enhances the overall visual appeal of your video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now ready to create some amazing content with Clipchamp. Thanks for watching.